So today we're going to talk about blepharitis. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm really tired today. I'm really tired, and I burnt my finger as well, which wasn't good. So if I'm like holding my finger like this throughout the video, that's because there's like honey on it, which the honey's missing. So, but anyway, if you want to know or learn or have blepharitis, just keep watching this video. So what exactly is blepharitis? So I'm not quite sure what caused my blepharitis. There isn't really like, is there a cause? People say like there's not a cause for blepharitis, but then they give an explanation for why you can have blepharitis. So it's neither here nor there, so I'm not sure. But anyway, my blepharitis didn't start straight away. I first was diagnosed by my optician before I was referred to my ophthalmologist with extreme dry eye. So I don't know if it was called chronic dry eye. Yeah, I think they were like, oh, chronic dry eye. And then they referred me, and then they said I had MGD, which then led to blepharitis later on as the symptoms got worse and it wasn't healing. And I had, mine was like really bad. I had the antibiotics and I had all of this, and then I eventually got blepharitis, and then after that they said I had glaucoma. I know, I'm really young and I have glaucoma. Anyway, but I don't think I have glaucoma anymore because, well, apart from getting supernatural healing, thank you Pastor for praying for me, for my supernatural healing for my glaucoma, when I went back to the ophthalmologist in the hospital, the urgent eye clinic, I didn't tell them that I wasn't, after I received prayer and stuff in church, I didn't tell them that I wasn't using my medication, you know. So when I went back and they were like, oh, you know, what did they say? The vision, no, that's not what they said first. Let me just think. They said that the pressure in my eyes, before when they diagnosed me with glaucoma, the pressure in my eyes were like double what it should be. So the normal pressure in your eyes, the maximum it should be is like 20, which is high anyway, and mine was like 41, 42, like 41 in one eye and 42 in the other eye. And I personally think it was because I was using all this different medication and steroids and antibiotics and all these things for my eyes, for my MGD in my eyes, for my chronic dry eyes, for my blepharitis, and it just raised the pressure. That's what I think anyway. So they were like, yeah, the pressure's gone down, and I didn't tell them that I haven't been using the medication. So I have another appointment coming up, and I have not been using the glaucoma medication or anything for a long time. A long time. It could almost be like 6 months or 7 months, and I think my eyes are fine, to be honest. The only problem with them now is the blepharitis, which is a pain in the bum. I'm just going to show you guys what I use to kind of calm down the symptoms, kind of tame it when I'm having a flare-up. So it's really important to have really good face and eye and hand hygiene. It's extremely important. Apart from me being a little bit OCD with hygiene anyway, it's really important when you have blepharitis. And mine is like really like other scale, really bad, because I know not only have blepharitis, but I have really sensitive skin, I have really dry skin. I got really badly sunburnt one time years ago when I was like 13, 14. I went to Barbados, and I thought, well, I'm brown anyway, I don't need any suntan. I did not realize, people, I was not SPF or suntan aware at 13, 14 coming from the Caribbean. And I went to a dermatologist, and she was like, there's how many layers of skin on your face, and basically all of them off, completely off. So I'm just left with like one layer of skin, I don't know what to call it, on my face. So I can't afford to get really burnt in the sun. I have to use loads of SPF. I have to make sure I have umbrellas and hats and all of this. And people look at me sometimes and they're like, what is she doing? You know, they think I'm one of these people like don't want to get darker or whatever. I just can't. Okay, so because of that, with my blepharitis, I have like a whole face problem. I have a whole face problem, which takes a lot of care it involves and money spent on products. Okay, so I can't use just any old products. So basically, hands, face, eyes needs to be clean 100% all the time. Okay, when you have blepharitis, which the doctor usually says is make sure you do hot compresses on your eyes. So I used to do initially just like a really warm flannel, and then I used to just relax, obviously wash your face, wash your hands, and then I just relax, listen to music, listen to a podcast or whatever, and put the hot compress on my eyes. And I used to leave it on there for maybe like 15-20 minutes. I forgot what the doctor said, how long you should leave it on there, but 15-20 minutes, that's how long I left it on there. And then I moved up to this, which to be honest, I don't really like. I don't know if it's defective, but it doesn't work for me. Okay, so this is the, what is it? Optrex Warming Eye Mask. And it doesn't need to be by Optrex, it can be by anyone, right? And basically this one, it just heats up when it touches your skin and you leave it on there, whatever, however long they recommend it. That's the first step. And then I moved on to this lovely gadget that my husband bought me. I think he bought it for me last year before we got married. And it's like this device, it looks like a 3D thing. You know that thing is it 3D? What am I saying? You guys know what I'm saying, right? The virtual reality thing. That's what it is. You put in your phone, and this is a cylinder thing that has water. I'll do a completely different video where I just talk about this, okay? This is really amazing. And it has like loads of settings on it there, and heat and vibration and all sorts of different things. It's called Orai. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's Japanese or something, but it's that's the box, and it's supposed to be like A-U-R-A-I. How do you pronounce that? If anyone knows, just let me know. After it's been massaged and heated up your eyes, and it melts all the gunk and everything like that, you take it off, and then there's no need to massage your eyes again, like if you had a compress with a flannel or the Optrex thing. There's no need to massage it. So what I do, because obviously hygiene is important, instead of doing it with your fingers, what I tend to do is I take a cotton bud, which I don't have a cotton bud right now. Just take my glasses off, I can't see. Take a cotton bud, and then you just wiggle it like this really gently from side to side, and then you do that at the bottom, and then all the gunk should come out. You should already have gunk coming out into your eyes anyway. And then after you do that, it's really important to clean the gunk out. So the next thing I use is this Blephaclean, which loads of people on YouTube who are, I almost said IBS sufferers, who are blepharitis sufferers, use Blephaclean. It's really good. These are the sachets. I do want to get the foam one. I feel like I had the foam one before, but I don't think I took it seriously. And basically, you just clean the gunk out of your eyes. Right, so we've done that. We've done massaging, warmth, clean, and then the next step after that, what I do, it's a whole plethora of things. To even begin to explain this is, I don't know, but anyway, so let's say I have a nighttime and a morning routine. I'm just going to show you guys the morning one. So you clean, and then what do I do first? Okay, moisturizing the eyelids on the top and the bottom. And what I found that's worked the best for me is this Vitapause, what does it say? Vitapause eye ointment with vitamin E. Vitapause eye ointment with vitamin E. Now this is not for blepharitis, it's for I don't have the box, but I think it's for ocular something, like ocular dryness, ocular something, some other eye condition that people have. But I found that because it's preservative free and it's all natural and it's filled with vitamin A, I don't know if I said vitamin E before, but vitamin A, or vitamin A, it's really good for moisturizing the eyes, and they don't irritate my eyes, because anything and everything I put even near my eyes is an issue. Like, I have to do a whole video on makeup for blepharitis because it's, I don't know. But yeah, excuse my hair, it's like really frizzy at the moment. I didn't make an effort, but it's fine. Okay, so you moisturize that first, right? You moisturize the, I took glasses up again. So you moisturize the top lid and you moisturize the bottom lid. And I like to get like really, obviously not with that finger, you use this finger. And I like to get like in the corner of the eye, like inside, because mine's like really itchy. I can't even explain to you how it feels. This is literally how it feels. It feels like spiders all like crawling all on your eyes, and because my skin is really sensitive, it tends, I don't know if it's because of my glasses, but it like tends to go there and it just really tingly. Anyway, the thing I use, because I have chronic dry eyes as well, this is not for blepharitis, but this is the only thing that works for me, and this is for chronic dry eye, like false tears basically. And this is called Viscotears liquid gel, and it's absolutely amazing. And because it's a gel, it's thicker, and because it's a gel, it has this cooling effect. So sometimes with blepharitis, your eyes can feel really, really hot and red and irritated, and you just want something to cool it down. You just want to like put an ice pack on there or something. So this is really, really amazing in the morning. Right, so then you do that, some fallout comes out. Fallout, I don't know if it's fallout you call it, but anyway, and then you just dab it, and then you're ready to go. Then after that, I then moisturize my face with special things. I moisturize my face, and then if during the day, because with Viscotears you can put it on 3 to 4 times a day. During the day, what I tend to do if I'm at work or somewhere and I don't want this gunky gel in my eyes looking really thick, then what I do is I use this Artelac Rebalance. And basically, this is for, what is it for? So it's long-lasting hydration. It is for dry eyes as well. It's for dry, burning and irritated eyes, and you can use it in your contact lenses as well. So if you suffer from blepharitis and you're a contact lens wearer like myself, oh my gosh, it's a nightmare. It feels like there's glass actually in your eyes. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, when my eyes get really dry, when I have contact lenses on, my contact lenses starts to dry up in my eye. So then when I go to take it out, it's like sucked. I can't even, sometimes I can't even get it out of my eye. Like, I'm like, where is it? And then I'm like, my eye then gets more red and irritated. Anyway, Artelac. So that's what it looks like. It's pink. So it's not allowed, it's not supposed to get above 25 degrees. Yeah, that's what I just saw. Not supposed to get above 25 degrees and below 1 degree. So like in your fridge would normally be like 4 degrees, 4 to 7 degrees or something. It's like your normal fridge temperature. I should know this, but anyway, so I keep that in the fridge. And what's really good about keeping it in the fridge is that when you're having a really bad irritated day or dry day or burny day in your eyes, and you put this in your eyes, 1 drop is all you need, and it's called, oh my gosh, I can't even explain the relief. It's amazing. For me, this is just like an ad hoc thing, because I put this in and within maybe an hour to 2 hours, my eyes are back to feeling irritated and everything, but not as much as before. So it just gives a little lubrication, and that's it for morning routine, really. Explain this last thing. Now, this looks, I know, this is very conspicuous, this thing. It's calendula. My mother-in-law made this for me. It's just pure calendula, which is basically marigold. And she just brewed it and then let it come to cool and put it in the fridge. And what I use this for is just soaking in a cotton pad, resting it on my eyes, cleansing my eyes with it, or even squeezing some in my eyes, washing it out. Don't make it like a tea, people. Don't put sugar and honey or whatever. You're not drinking this. This is your eye. This is for your eyes. Okay, it's a topical thing. This is magic. This is, I can't even, you have to try it. Like, I can't even explain how magical this thing is. You leave it on your eyes, you squeeze it in your eyes, you wash it. You can use it as an astringent. Oh my gosh. You could use it on any part of your body, even intimate areas. It's absolutely amazing. And for the first time ever in years since I've been diagnosed with blepharitis, when I used this, it was the first time I felt proper relief. Even with doing like the whole method and everything, it was the first time I felt proper 100% relief. Now, it wasn't healing my eyes and it wasn't stopping the flakiness and all of that, but it was so soothing. Sorry guys, in the middle of that video, one of my best friends, Paula, rang me and I had to answer the call. Anyway, what I was gonna say was that this stuff is amazing. I was still talking like when the phone rang, because I'm filming on my phone at the moment because I'm packing and stuff to go away. But anyway, she's coming to pick me up now, so I've completely lost my train of thought, so I'm gonna end it right there. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and thumbs up, and all the things that YouTube people say. I don't know, I'm not good with it. I might actually stop saying it altogether at the end because it's just, I don't know, you guys know what to do. Know that I do want to talk more about blepharitis, and I do want to show you guys the type of makeups that the type of makeup that I use for blepharitis sufferers, and my method and what I do. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. She interrupted my video in the middle of filming. She interrupted my video so I can continue filming for you guys. Completely flustered me. Look at her, just sitting in there, none the wiser, disturbing my video.